All right, kids, this is Stu hiking. It's 5:21 in the morning, and beautiful dawn just dropped us off at the side of the road, and here we are in the dark cold, about to walk into a mountain, and that's Stu hiking. I made it a little campground, can't see much. Matter of fact, hold on, let me say, whoop, there we go. Yeah, look at that, cool little fire pit. Creek's right over there. Huge oak tree you could camp under. Look at that. Nice, spacious. Came up on this little picnic table and having a little second coffee and some arroz con leche. Boom, boom. Gonna warm up and keep it moving. A little update. I switched ankle braces on my right one now, because now my right foot's giving me problems, but seems to be helping. So we'll see how that holds. Ooh, new flower box. Haven't seen that one yet. Nice little sage. All right, good morning, folks. It's day 10. Left Dawn's place. What an unexpected blessing that was. Somebody offers you a place to crash and shower, assuming your gut is saying, like, yeah, things are okay, take it. I didn't realize what, like, just a good rest I needed. I took an amazing deep nap and so grateful, feeling better today. Grateful to meet Dawn. What an amazing person. She said she never did anything like that before, but something touched her heart and allowed us to stay with her the night. And what a gracious human being. Again, I'm amazed and grateful that Midian has now gotten to experience that with me. And yeah, today's a special treat. Trying to get up there before the heat picks up, as it will be this week. So all you people coming up late March, April, things are cooking up, things are drying up. So just be mindful of that. Other than that, today the goal is Mike's place. So that should be another treat, little iconic spot for Manning to check out. So off we go. It is 11:08. Got a little bit less than half a mile to get to Lost Valley Springs, and that's the last bit of water before getting to Mike's place. So it'll be another 7-ish miles water carry through this warm date, through this landscape. It's been a warm one. How you doing, Minion? Yeah, she's always doing good. She saw a blue jay. Of course she's doing good. I'm over here. I'm over here just trying not to focus on all this pain I feel.
Don't watch, you pervert.
I'm quite aroused.
Yep. This is what I'm
Ooh. First water here before Mike's. It's this water for 7 miles. But I've been here before. Those bugs just add protein and seasoning. So, interesting topic on senses and smells. I see we're surrounded by a bunch of these tree plants here, and according to Midian, they smell like what?
Culo.
They smell like culo.
it's so bad. Like, it's been bothering me since 5:30 a.m. It is the nastiest smell on trail. I don't understand. I love nature smells. I love sage, but that shit, it's not doing it for me today.
And I can't smell a thing, so it's very interesting how all day she has been walking through baby diapers, and I don't smell anything. So I don't know if you know the name of this tree plant all over the place, and if you too smell the culo smell. Let me know in the comments. All right, interesting turn of events. Fortunately, we started early today, so put us at a good spot to just about wrap today up. I have 4 miles to get to Mike's place, but interesting, I haven't seen any notes about, you know, what a great place or a great time they had at Mike's, which leads me to think if he's even hosting anymore. And then I'm not seeing anything on Far Out as far as Mary's Oasis, where we used to go after Mike's, for some good water and camp there, and can't seem to find her on Far Out. So now it leads me to think we're gonna have to get to Mike's, hydrate, and make it another early morning, because I believe tomorrow's gonna be even warmer. And not quite sure, but unless I'm missing something, it's looking like about a 16 mile water carry. So I'm hoping I'm missing something, but to be continued. Let's go check out Mike's. How low can you go? How low can you go?
I should have done the limo on that one.
Ooh-wee. 1.5 to Mike's. Not much of a video day. It's just been a lot of this and a lot of uphill. Gradual, definitely warm today. So I'm glad we're getting a higher elevation as this week is about to start cooking. So, all right, after a good warm push out of water, and just made it to Mike's place. So let's see what the verdict is, if he's still hosting or it's just going to be a party for two tonight. And if you know about Mike's place, then you know these famous cool water canisters here. Oh my God. Water should be filtered. Look at that. They got pH water. They got coconut water. They got flavors here too. Man. Oh. PCT shack and camping. There's home for the night. Trash panda. All right, so I guess Mike's place is still a thing, but the man himself is not here today, or yet. Interesting. Now that I'm looking at all these class things, I don't remember signing the wall for my class date. And yet again, we're here kind of early this year, so it's just us 4 or 5 here today. So looks like it's going to be the quiet night at Mike's place. But look forward to getting some good rest, because tomorrow's going to be warmer. So we'll definitely be picking it up a little bit early. And, well, yeah, what do you know? It's class of 22, my class. But, yeah, I definitely did not sign this. Maybe next time.
All right, good morning from the trail. It's about 5 something. Getting some coffee going here. We've walked in about a mile and stopping at this nice little rest stop with a table. So on this morning's menu, we got arroz con leche. We have our favorite king coffee here. Little Vietnamese coffee mixed with some Starbucks. We have our barista here mixing it up.
1 or 2 pumps?
Just one, please.
1 pump.
1 pump. And yeah, just getting started this morning. Out here warming up the legs. And it should be a good day.
Shout out to the Trail Angels, Lost Valley Scouts. You guys are amazing. Thanks for this water.
Good morning.
The minion.
So bright.
The minion rises. All right, so yeah, we are up early, beating the rooster, trying to crank in some miles before it heats up today. Yeah, it's not as chilly as yesterday, so thankful for that. And I think we'll be thankful to get in as many miles as we can before it heats up today. Well, let's go. Well, good morning. These are the morning views. Now the sun's out. Some kind of little town there. I don't know if you could see where that mountain drops, this little saddle here. Right behind is San Jacinto. Barely has any snow, so I'll take it. You know, so don't be fearful. I know things have happened up there and you should respect the mountain. But definitely don't let those Facebook chatter groups twirl you up and scare you. Like, at least this season, every season is different, but I think this season, unless something freakish happens storm-wise between here and there, and between here and your start date, you're gonna be okay this season. We still have our micro spikes being sent to Paradise Valley Cafe, but yeah, I anticipate very small patches, so let's get going with this beautiful day. Do not touch the spicy ant. The spicy ant will ruin your day. It's cute. Look at it. Don't touch it. Oh, look. It's another little cacti muff. I don't know what kind of mushroom this is, but quite interesting how it grows through this pretty hard dirt. And it's pretty stiff feeling. So far, I think the plan to get up early and get some miles in while it's still cooler definitely paid off. We're now on the downer hill portion of it and getting a lot of shade pockets. So definitely glad we got up a little extra early and pushed through. It wasn't as cold, fortunately, but yeah, we're moving in nice. I think we're a little bit over 5 miles into it right now, and got water at a cistern in about 8 miles from now. So we're moving along just nice. Look, also too, for all you late starters, don't worry. Even out here, you're not really alone. Leaving Mike's place is a couple of miles and, you know, somebody's house or property. And I guarantee you there's plenty of properties. Look, there's another one over there. Worst came to worst, you limp yourself on over there. You put on that pitiful, I'm thirsty face, and I'm sure they'll hook you up with water. So really just, I mean, you know, don't count on that, but I kind of feel like, you know, if it got to that situation, you'll be okay. In updated news, we are officially in a micro bubble. We got caught up by 3 hikers yesterday, so we're kind of in the middle of each other right now. So wow, 100 miles later, We got people on trail. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling good, a little warm, but hydrated.
Stay hydrated.
I got my Mio energy today.
Oh, you gotta have the Mio. Make sure that water starts to get a little boring after a while. Sprinkle a little Mio. Well, more of a little squeeze. Squeeze a little Mio. You'll love it. Yeah, it's definitely cooking more today for sure. There's one empty bottle. But we have made it to the famous concrete cistern. Let's see what's down there. Bees, dead squirrel, dead rats. Every year is something different. You can see the little floaty bugs I got in my water. I'll be drinking that later. Alrighty. It is 4:02. It is definitely warmer, but we already got over 12 miles in, and it's about 11 something to get to PVC, Paradise Valley Cafe. If you're new here, look at Minion. Look at that motivation train right there. Can't stop that girl. Okay, it's past 4. Got over 12 miles in, and it's a little bit over 11 miles to get to PVC. She's looking good, feeling good. And the good news is, we don't know where we're gonna camp. The better news is, no matter what, it's gonna make for a real short day tomorrow. So, not sure where we're gonna end up. Hopefully somewhere nice with the sunset view and close enough to make it a real nice narrow and enjoy a solid breakfast at Paradise Valley. Well, look at that. I'm at mile marker 142.6. I think it's like 9 point something before getting to Paradise Valley. Coming from Mike's, and after the concrete cistern, there's no water until PVC. But look over there, I even see somebody over there. There's a greenhouse, somebody's little property there. You gonna tell me if there's an emergency you can't just hippity hop over there and get yourself some water? See, it's all good, baby. Don't stress it, especially you May starters. I don't know what possessed you to do something like that, but now you know there's water. You see, people, it only takes, well, usually one, but what used to be Mary's Oasis, beautiful place to come, library, sleep, rest. Now, because of repeated criminal activity on her property, it's permanently closed. No water on the property, no trespassing. So Sucks that I don't know since when that's been going on, but you guys didn't get to experience Mary's Oasis. Used to be a very cool spot. A good spot to aim for. Fresh, cool water from Mike's place and an easy Nero the following day, but don't be that person. It is 6:49. We were up before the sunrise. Made it to camp right at sunset. We had 19.4 today. She's still...
Good push.
You could keep going, huh?
Yes.
Yeah, nah, not me.
Night hike.
Yeah, see. Oh my god, this one's gonna be the death of me. Good morning. Man, what a sight. We stayed at campground 146.3. Good spot for one tent. Maybe a few more cowboy camping. We cowboy camped last night. It was great. Great night view of the sky, the reservation. We're only 5.5 miles away from the road. And yeah, real bummer about Mary's Oasis and you know whatever happened that ruined it for us. And such is life, you know. Even the trail, the people, the vortexes, constantly changing. Man, I am thirsty. I do have about half a liter. That and motivation for breakfast will get me there.